students, in this video we are going to discuss roots of complex numbers. Roots of complex numbers. Okay. If we have z is equals to r into e raised to I theta, then nth root of z is given by nth root of z is given by ck is equals to nth root of r0 exponential of I theta 0 upon n plus 2k pi upon n. Okay. Here k runs from 0, 1 and so on up to n minus 1. Okay. If z is equals to this number, then nth root of this complex number is nothing but nth root of r0, or here we can say r exponential of I theta 0 upon n plus 2k pi n. Nth root, so k runs from 0 to n minus 1. Let us take example for better understanding. Example, find all values of minus 8i raised to 1 by 3 or 3 cube roots of the number minus 8i. We have to find all values of this or cube root of minus 8i. Okay, students, see here, this is a minus 8i is a rectangular form. First of all, we have to write it exponential form. Here z is nothing but minus 8i. So here we have to write this z in exponential form. For this we have to find out argument of z and value of r. For this theta is equal to, see here students, this is minus 8i. Minus 8i is here. So for this theta dash is minus pi by 2. So we will get here minus pi by 2. Students, keep in mind that here is theta is pi by 2, here pi, and here minus pi by 2. Okay. Pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus 2k pi. K runs from 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 and so on. And r is nothing but root of 8 square. This is nothing but 8. Okay. So z means, therefore z can be expressed as 8i is equals to root of r is 8 into exponential of I minus pi by 2 plus 2k pi. K runs from 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 and so on. Okay. The desired roots are formula for that is ck is equals to, here is we have to find cube root. So here n is equals to 3. So cube root of 8 exponential of e raised to or exponential I theta 0 plus 2k pi upon 3. K runs from 0, 1, 2 because we have to find cube root. So here k runs from 0, 1, 2. Okay. So ck is nothing but cube root of 8 is 2 exponential of I theta 0 or theta, it is nothing but minus pi by 2 plus minus pi by 2 plus 2k pi upon 3. Students, always remember that here we are taking theta 0 is nothing but principal value. Okay, so here we will get minus pi by 2 plus 2k pi upon 3. K runs from 0, 1, 2. So this is nothing but 2 exponential of I minus pi by 6 plus 2k pi upon 3. Okay, k is equals to 0. So C0 is nothing but 2 exponential. Now we will find first root I minus pi by 6. Okay, this is nothing but cos minus pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6. Okay, so 2 into cos minus pi by 6 is cos pi by 6. It is root of 3 by 2 minus, minus I sin pi by 6 is nothing but 1 upon 2. So this is nothing but root 3 minus I. This is C0 is nothing but root of 3 minus I. Okay, this is the first root. Now we will find out second root. Second root means k is equals to 1. So we will get C1 is nothing but 2 exponential of I into minus pi by 6 plus 2 pi by 3. This is nothing but 2 exponential of is 4 pi minus 5 3 pi by 6 I into. Okay, so this is nothing but 2 cos of. Okay, first we simplify this. 2 exponential I pi by 2, which is nothing but cos of 2 into cos of pi by 2 plus I into sin pi by 2. This is nothing. 2 into cos pi by 2 is 0 plus sin pi by 2 is 1. So this is nothing but 2i. Second root is 2i. Okay. Now we will find out third root, which is when k is equals to 2. So C2 is nothing but 2 into exponential of I minus pi by 6 plus 2 into 2 is, here k is equals to 2. So 2 into 2 is, this is 4 pi by 3. Put values of k is equals to 2 in formula. So we will get 2 into 2 exponential of I into, this is nothing but 7 pi by 6, which is equals to 2 into cos of 7 pi by 6 plus I sin 7 pi by 6. Okay. Now find out the values of cos of 7 pi by 6. Cos of 7 pi by 6 can be written as cos of pi plus pi 6. Now here use formula cos of A plus cos B. This is nothing but cos pi into cos pi by 6 plus here plus, so here is minus sin pi by, because of this sin pi this value is 0, cos pi is minus 1 and cos pi by 6 is root of 3 by 2. So we will get this value is minus we will get this value minus root of 3 2 minus root of 3 upon 2. Now find sine 7 pi by 6. By using the sine 7 pi by 6 can be written as pi plus pi by 6. Use formula sine a plus b, you will get answer minus 1 by 2. So this is nothing but minus root of 3 upon 2 minus I into 1 upon 2. So we will get minus root of 3 minus I. C2 is equal to minus root of 3 minus I. These are the roots of a complex number, which are first root is root of 3 minus I, second root is 2I, and third root is minus root of 3 minus I. These are three cube roots of minus 8I. Okay, very simple. Now we will take one more example. Second example, find the square root of a 2I b 1 minus root of 3I. Okay, solution. Here z is nothing but 2I. First of all, write down its exponential form. So z can be written as 2 into r is root of 2 square. Means what? R is equals to 2 exponential 2I. So here theta is nothing but pi by 2. So we will get I pi by 2 plus 2k pi. This is your k runs from 1 to and so on. Actually this is plus 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 and so on. Okay, where r is nothing but root of 2 square, which is nothing but 2, and theta is nothing but pi by 2 plus 2k pi. Okay, the desired roots are 2I raised to 1 by 2. This is nothing but root of 2 r into exponential of I pi by 2 plus 2k pi upon 2. Okay, actually your formula is ck is nothing but nth root of r exponential of I theta plus 2k pi upon n. Okay, here your n is 2, that's why here is square root of 2 and here is divided by 2. Okay, so this is nothing but root of 2 exponential of I. This is I pi by 4 plus k pi. Okay, now we will find first root, right? Using k is equals to 0. So we will get C0 is nothing but root of 2 exponential of I pi by 4. This is nothing but root of 2 cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Okay, this is nothing but root of 2. Cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root of 2 plus I 1 upon root of 2. This is nothing but 1 plus I. So first root is 1 plus I. Now second root of 2 exponential of I pi by 4. Here k is equals to 1. So we will get this. This is a pi. Okay, this can be written as root of 2 into e raised to I pi by 4 into e raised to I pi. This can be written as root of 2 e raised to I pi by 4 is nothing but cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 into cos pi plus I sin pi which is equals to root of 2 into cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root of 2 plus I sin pi by 4 is I into 1 upon root of 2 into cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0. So this is nothing but minus 1 plus I. So first rule, so z is equals to 2I has roots 1 plus I and minus 1 plus I. Okay, students, take this homework example for homework. Okay, we will stop here. In next video we will see regions in the complex plane. Thank you.